Khan Academy Multiply Fractions, and we're working on the subtopic Multiplying Fractions. 7 halves times 1/5, so we're just going to multiply straight across. 7 times 7 times 1 is 7, and then 2 times 5 is 10. So 7/10 is our answer. 3/5 times 5 sevenths. So 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 7 is 35. So 15/35. Okay, now when we go down here, we see, oh, there's not one. So a lot of 5th graders would just choose A because they see 35ths in the bottom. Okay, however, what they want us to do here, you probably have guessed it, is they want us to simplify. Okay, so when I look there right away, I can see that I can simplify both of those by 5 because they end in 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 35 divided by 5 is 7. So now I can see my answer is 3/7. 4/3 times 1/3, so 4 times 1 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24, and 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, and again, that answer is not down below here. Okay, don't get tricked by the fact that they still put this 72 down here. Okay, what they want us to do here is they want us to simplify. So 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 72 divided by 8 is 9. Okay, so I have 3/9. When I look, I still don't see 3/9 here. Well, that must mean that I can continue simplifying. And I can. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So my final answer here is 1/3. We just had to do some simplifying. 9 times 7 is 63, and 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 9 is 18, and 7 times 8 is 56. Again, that answer's not down there, so see if you can pause this video for a second and see if you can simplify to find the correct answer. Come back when you're ready with the right answer. Okay, so in this case, I am going to divide by, let's see, I think I'm going to divide by 2 because that's what I see right away. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then I can do 56 divided by 2, and I know I can do 56 divided by 2 because it's an even number. So 56 divided by 2 is 28, and that's still not on there. So I'm going to keep dividing. And if I divide 9 divided by 9 28ths is on there. Perfect. So 9/28 is right there, letter C. And then 11 times 5 is 55, and 6 times 7 is 42.